Hey everyone, welcome back to Life Facts. Today we are diving into a game-changing app that brings the world to your fingertips. Ever seen something and thought, what is that? Or where can I buy it? Well, Google Lens is here to answer those questions and more. Let's explore its features and see how it can make your life easier. Stay tuned. Google Lens is a visual search tool powered by AI. You simply point your camera at something, be it a plant, a piece of furniture, or even text, and Google Lens identify it, provide useful info, and give you actionable options. Think of it as your personal pocket detective. First up, product identification. Let's say you see someone wearing a shoes you need in your life. Snap a photo, and Google Lens will not only find the product and also suggest where to buy it, complete with price comparisons. Next, translating text. Perfect for travelers. Google Lens support over 100 languages. Just scan a menu, a sign, or a document, and it instantly translates it into your preferred language. Students, this one's for you. Struggling with maths or science problems? Scan your questions and Google Lens connect you to helpful explanation, step-by-step solutions and videos. So, how to use Google Lens? Using Google Lens is super simple. Download the Google Lens app via Google Play Store. Open the app and point your camera at what you want to explore. Tap the relevant actions, translate, search, shop, or text. Oh, there you have it. A complete guide to Google Lens, the app that turns your camera into a powerful tool for learning, shopping, and exploring. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumb up, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments how you use Google Lens.